Hello, today I'd like to compare some Winsor & Newton professional watercolour with Winsor & Newton designer's gouache. Both of these are water-based paints and are made with gum arabic. Watercolours are transparent and luminous, whereas gouache is opaque and dries to a smooth matte finish. Look how tonal and transparent this opera rose watercolour is, compared with the opaque brilliant violet gouache. And here between the Winsor blue green shade watercolour and the primary blue gouache. You'll see that the gouache dries smooth and matte without brush marks and lends itself to bold, vibrant block colours. Now I'm going to apply a yellow brushstroke. As you can see, the Winsor yellow watercolour is very transparent, whereas the spectrum yellow gouache layer is opaque. Although you can achieve a near opaque block with watercolour and diluted layers with gouache, transparency is best achieved with watercolours and solid blocks with Winsor & Newton designer's gouache. I hope you've enjoyed this video.